Welcome to Stover Industry Supplies, HETAS Approved Training Centre and Replacement Parts Specialists. Today we are going to show you how to cut a hole into a flue pipe to allow you access to sweep the chimney. To cut the hole, we are going to use an arbor, 83mm Starrett bimetal hole saw and RTD compound to lubricate the saw. This is to increase the lifespan of the equipment. We can fit this onto a cordless drill. First, locate and mark the best position on the flue pipe to enable easy access to sweep the chimney. Use a dust sheet to cover and protect the appliance and hearth from any debris that may fall whilst drilling the hole. Before you attach the hole saw, it's best to drill a pilot hole. That way, if you put too much pressure when drilling, the teeth aren't going to bang into the pipe. Once your pilot hole is finished, attach your hole saw and remember to lubricate it. Set your drill to a low speed and take your time when cutting. Now you have access to sweep the chimney. Once you have finished sweeping, place a ceramic gasket and sweep access cover over the hole. Tighten the bolt from the back using an Allen key. Using a fresh Stanley knife, cut the gasket around the flue access cover so it is not visible. Then peel off the film off the cover. This can be sprayed later to match the colour of your flue pipe, or it can be left as it is. Always perform a smoke test to ensure the flue is safely sealed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.